Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this quick Apple Watch tutorial, we will share steps on how to enable screenshots feature on watchOS and how to take screenshots on Apple Watch. We will also show you where you can find those screenshots. Let's get started. It is super easy to take screenshot on Apple Watch once you know how to do it. First of all, make sure screenshot feature is enabled on your Apple Watch. To do this, press the digital crown button to access the home screen and tap on the Settings app icon. On the Settings app, tap on General and then scroll down and tap on Screenshots option. On the next screen, make sure toggle for Enable Screenshots is enabled. After you have enabled the Screenshots feature, it is time to take a screenshot. For this, you have to press the digital crown and the side button at the same time. When you do this rightly, you will see a flash on the screen which indicates a screenshot has been taken. Once screenshots have been taken, you can find them on your iPhone's Photos app. Simply launch the Photos app and here go to the library page. You should find all the screenshots that you have taken on your Apple Watch here. And that's it. You have just learned how to take screenshots on your Apple Watch. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Apple Watch tips. Thanks for watching.